In today's video, I'm going to take you through Jennifer Aniston's famous salad recipe. First, let's start with the ingredients. We're first going to need a lemon, a cucumber, pistachios, chickpeas, quinoa, feta cheese, parsley, red onion, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Okay, first we're going to cook our quinoa. For 1 cup of quinoa, I use 1.5 cups of water. And we're just gonna let that boil while we prep the other food. I'm gonna rinse out the chickpeas and just put those to the side. And then I'm gonna start chopping up my cucumber. I cut them into small bite-sized pieces. And then I added them to a bowl to put on the side. And then I started cutting up the red onion. You can cut the onion in any shape or form. I like long cuts of my onions. I don't know if that's weird or not. Then we're gonna add our dried parsley. I know the recipe also has mint, but I could not find that at the store. Once our quinoa is ready, we're gonna start plating. I'm adding 1/2 cup of quinoa, 1/2 cup of chickpeas, and then I'm kind of eyeballing the veggies and then sprinkling feta cheese, pistachios, fresh lemon, olive oil, and salt and pepper. And there you have it, the final product. It was so delicious. Highly recommend. This recipe was so simple and quick and perfect if you're on the go. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace.